Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to join and benefit from Temu flash sales. Let's get started. First, open Temu app on your phone and then on the homepage scroll until you find the flash sales section. It's usually marked with a lightning icon. Tap it and you'll see a list of limited time deals that refresh every few hours. Once you're in, look for the items with the countdown timer that shows how long the sales last. Tap the product you like and add it to your cart quickly. Because these items sells out fast, then check out before the timer ends to secure your discount. To save even more, use Temu coupon or coins during checkout. You can also invite friends or play in app games to earn extra discount and free shipping. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.